Hey there, is your Lenovo tablet stuck in a frustrating boot loop? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to fix the boot loop on Lenovo tablets step by step so you can get your device back in working order. Whether you're dealing with constant reboots or your tablet gets stuck on the logo screen, these tips should help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. The first step in fixing a boot loop on your Lenovo tablet is to perform a soft reset. Sometimes a simple restart can solve minor glitches causing the boot loop. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device turns off. Wait a few moments, then press the power button again to turn your tablet back on. If the device continues to loop, move on to the next step. Step 2. Boot in safe mode. Booting in safe mode allows you to diagnose whether the issue is caused by a third-party app. To do this, power off your tablet. Next, press and hold the power button until you see the Lenovo logo, then release it. Immediately press and hold the volume down button until the device boots up completely. You'll see safe mode displayed in the corner of the screen. If your device boots successfully in safe mode, it indicates that a third-party app is likely the culprit. Uninstall recently downloaded or suspicious apps and try rebooting your tablet normally. Step 3. Wipe the cache partition. The cache partition stores temporary system data, which can sometimes get corrupted and cause boot issues. To clear the cache partition, first turn off your device. Once your tablet is off, press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. When the Lenovo logo appears, release the power button but continue holding the volume up button. When the recovery menu appears, use the volume buttons to navigate and select Wipe Cache Partition using the power button. Once complete, select Reboot System Now and check if the boot loop persists. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If the boot loop issue continues, a factory reset might be necessary. Keep in mind this will erase all data on your tablet, so it's best to back up any crucial information if possible. To perform a factory reset, boot your device into recovery mode as described in Step 3. From the recovery menu, select Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume and power buttons. Confirm your choice and wait for the reset to complete. After the factory reset, select Reboot System Now and see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Seek professional help. If the boot loop issue still isn't fixed after attempting the above steps, it might be time to seek professional assistance. There could be a deeper hardware or software problem at play. Contact Lenovo customer support or visit a certified repair center to diagnose and resolve the issue. Dealing with a boot loop on a Lenovo tablet can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue yourself. From soft resets and safe mode booting to wiping cache and factory resets, these methods target common culprits of boot loops. Ensure you proceed cautiously, especially with factory resets, to avoid data loss. If all else fails, remember that professional help is available to get your tablet back in working condition. Good luck, and here's to a smooth, uninterrupted tablet experience.